Hey Holly, this is Larry Powell. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you guys. What I'm going to do for you guys today is just give you a quick website audit. We're going to go over what I call the big three, and that's content, backlinks, and citations, what those mean for your business and how you can utilize those to pass up your competition today. We're also going to look at what your competition has going on for how they're using those right now, and how you guys can pass them up in the search results. So first thing, looking at your guys' website, it looks really nice. I know you mentioned on the Facebook post and residential remodeling subs that this is a brand new site for you guys. It looks really good. Couple recommendations I do have for you guys. So click to call, you do have that. That's perfect. Putting a contact form on this homepage can actually really help with your conversions. So as people are going through looking for somebody to come out and give them, either a bathroom remodeling quote or a kitchen remodeling quote, they're really looking for those businesses that are the easiest to get a hold of, get that info over to you guys so that you can get out there and in turn give them a quote. So by having that contact form on here, what it'll allow to do is, they're not having to search through your site for how to get a hold of you guys. So that's just one recommendation I would have for this site. One other thing that can really help you guys out is the amount of content you guys have on here. So that's one of those big three. I apologize for the dog barking in the background there. But it's one of those big three, and it's one of the biggest things that Google looks at when determining which website claims that top spot. For my clients, I really try to shoot for anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, or actually words on the page, on this homepage. And with that, you also really want to make sure you have the search terms you want to be found for in that content. So one of the search terms I found for you guys, kitchen remodeler, Parker, Colorado. So this is currently getting 80 searches per month. And if we search your guys' website for that, it's not showing up anywhere on your guys' homepage. So by not having the search terms you actually want to be found for within that content, it's not really telling Google that this is something we want to be found for, if that makes sense. So I would definitely look at the content and how much you guys have on there. Sometimes you can get away with less. You really just want to make sure you have more than what your competition has. So, if they have 2,000 words of content, you're going to want to go up to 2,500 because you really want to beat your competition out in every way possible. But overall, your guys' site looks really nice. You have a bunch of service pages here, which is fantastic. Really like the design and feel of the site. It's very easy to use, but that's just one of the things I would recommend on here. So looking at kind of what we're searching for here. So kitchen remodeler, Parker, Colorado. So looking at the competition and what we're seeing in the Google results, I'll just give you a quick rundown here in case you're not, exactly sure what you're looking at. Everybody knows how to use Google, but I'd just like to give a quick rundown. So these are all paid Google ads. So this is people paying Google to have their website right up here on top. This is a great way to generate, short-term traffic. So if you guys need leads right away, this is definitely something you guys can do. Just be a little leery of it with how you're setting that up, because Google does try to help you spend your money as fast as possible. So just keep that in mind when you are setting up those Google ads. Then we move into the GMB or Google My Business page. So what we're looking at here, is obviously the Google My Business pages. You guys do have a listing. I did see it earlier. So you're definitely well on your way for that. But the biggest ranking factor for getting you guys in here is going to be what's known as citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great citation sources you guys could find for your business would be like Yelp pages, Yellow Book pages, even a Facebook page if you list your full address and phone number on there, can all count as citations. We really want to target having more citations than what your competition has. So if they have 50 citations out there, you want to go get 100 citations. And we actually have tools that allow us to go through and see exactly how many citations your competition has, which makes it really easy to kind of go through and do that research. Another big ranking factor for getting you guys into this would be where you're organically ranking in these search results. The organic search results are kind of interesting with how you look at them, because you see Home Advisor, Yelp, House. These guys are all, big time players, and they're also direct competitors with Google and their paid ads. So, Google really prefers to have you spending money with them, or not spending money at all. So Google really prefers to rank, the small business owner over these large national sites like this, as long as you really have a quality site with your content really, explaining exactly what you guys are trying to offer to clients. 99% of the time, you guys will outrank sites like this. So one thing I did look at going through all this and kind of doing a little bit of research on this. So we have Acton Design Build. This is the top ranked So this is the top ranked organic website. So again, not a lot of content on here. This is really all the content they have, so very doable to pass these guys up. Looking at the next one down, it is JM Woodworks. So looking at their site, again, just not, I know they offer like a little bit different services than you guys, but not a ton of content. A lot of pictures. Google has no emotion, so pictures don't really do any good for rankings. You really need that content to kind of tell Google what you're trying to rank for. So be very doable to pass these guys up for content as well. So looking at the back end of your site, this is where we're looking at what's called backlinks. The best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have the most popular kid in school, and we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And that most popular kid in school is going to link himself to that least popular kid. And what's going to happen is that's going to bring up the popularity of that least popular kid and move him up in the search results. So you guys really want to be going after backlinks that have a lot of popularity in Google's eyes, have a lot of trust. That's going to move you up in the search results a lot faster. Kind of an example of a backlink. So this, if I was to click on this, this would link back to your guys' website. So you can post these on different websites throughout the web. And that what that does is it kind of tells Google, okay, there's, your website's being talked about in this many places. This must be something that a lot of people want to know about. Let's move them up in the search results, to reflect that. So currently we can see that you guys have 16 backlinks from 4 different websites. You're ranking for 2 keywords. You're not getting any traffic to your site currently. I actually did find your guys' old website on your Facebook page. So what I would do, because this is a new site, and you may have already done this, but I would also do 301 redirects. Which pretty much what that means is if people go to this website, it automatically redirects them to your guys' new site. And so you guys can do that for all of your service pages and your home page. And that'll really help kind of get some of that juice you already had coming from your old site. Your old site had 21 backlinks from 7 different websites. You're ranking for 3 keywords there. So this will just kind of help direct some of this backlink juice you had already built up to your guys' new website. So looking at your guys' competition, we can see backlinks for them. So they have 14 backlinks. This is the active design and build. They have 14 backlinks from 10 different websites. They're ranking for 190 keywords, and they're getting 180 people per month to their website. What's cool about this tool we use is called Ahrefs. We can actually go through and see the exact keywords that they're currently ranking for. So we can see kitchen remodeler Parker, Colorado is getting 80 searches per month. It has a very low keyword difficulty in getting you ranked for that. Denver contractors, this might be something you guys want to go after. I don't know if you go all the way into Denver, but this is getting 250 searches per month, and again, pretty low KD on that. General contractor Denver, 150. Bath and remodel Parker, 20 searches a month, 0 KD. So there's a lot of opportunity for you guys to generate a lot of search traffic by just targeting the correct key terms for your business. And again, you want to make sure you have those in that home page. My recommendations is anywhere from, usually what I shoot for is about 1 keyword for every 150 words of content you have on that homepage. So depending on how many key terms you want to rank for on that homepage will kind of determine how much content you want to have, but I usually go 1 per every 150 words. And you can also put these on your service pages also. I usually go for anywhere from 500 to 750 words on my service pages. But that's kind of just looking at these guys. Looking at the next one, so we had JM Woodworks, looking at their website. So this is their website as a whole. We only have to worry about outranking this single page, but I just kind of wanted to show you the opportunities for your website. So, they have 11,000 backlinks from 550 websites. They're ranking for, 5,100 keywords, and they're getting 677 people per month to their website. Now, the only page you guys would have to worry about outranking really has very, very low metrics. So they only have 9 backlinks to the page you guys really have to worry about for Parker from 3 different websites. They have 11 keywords they're ranking for with an organic traffic of 18. And again, we can see what keywords they're using. So not a lot. Kitchen remodel Parker would definitely be one you guys want to go after. But a lot of these other ones aren't really. Kitchen remodeler Parker for another 80. So not a lot of these. I guess that's the exact same. But not a lot of these are, ones you'd really want to target, because kitchen advantage, that's not going to do anything for you guys. You really want to be targeting keywords that are service plus, city. So kitchen remodeler Parker, or I looked at another one here. So Bath and Remodeling, Aurora. That's another city very close to you guys. It's getting like 80 searches per month as well. So those are the kind of search terms you guys really want to target as you're looking, for finding what you guys want to do for your website. So I hope you got some information out of this. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thank you.